Well, we can't say we didn't warn you.
People.
Peep Wars Part 1.
How long do you put it in for?
Put it in the microwave.
Just like 10 minutes.
Just press a button.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It goes on. What are you
I'm
doing?
putting it in for 9 minutes.
9 minutes? Don't. No, it only goes up to 6.
Okay, I'll put 6. It's hard to see.
Can you hold it up for me? I kind of can't. Okay, well, that's a good place.
Are they going yet?
I don't know.
It's legal.
Is this legal?
Yeah.
It's exploding!
I gotta stand on this.
It's exploding! Let me take this off and hold it.
Who's gonna
I'm winning! It's like what happened with... I won! I won! I won! I won!
Keep it in there. Hold on.
To hold the bottom. Right,
Yeah, I'm holding the bottom.
right there. Shit, yours won!
I want it. It's even gonna go on fire.
No! Look, it's deflating now.
I won! Victoria won!
Like after a while, it gets really hot.
Wait, what's that brown on the bottom? Here, hold the
Oh my
computer.
gosh! What the
Hold
fuck?
that. Here. Oh. Let me go here.
It roasted on the inside.
Wait, can I put it back in?
No!
Why?
Because it's gross.
It's nice.
Oh wait, you can't even see it. Look.
Can I taste it?
Is it hot? What a prick! It's so fucking gross. What?
Because your name's Melissa, you must be your sister.
Since my name is Melissa, I must be Michael McGrath's little sister. Even though he doesn't have a little sister named Melissa. It's Caitlin. Funny thing about that.